English Quizmaster.
Let's have an online quiz about nouns. Instructions. Get a piece of paper and try to answer the quiz. Look at the images with nouns and choose if they belong to person, place, thing, or animal. After you've finished, check your work at the end of the work. Are you ready? What's the noun? What's the noun? What's to noun? What's the 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 noun? What's to noun? What's the noun? What's the noun? What's to noun? What's to noun? What's the noun? What's the noun? What's the noun? What's the noun? It's checking time. Question number 1. The correct answer is C, thing. Question number 2. The correct answer is B. Place. Question number 3. The correct answer is C. Thing. Question number 4. The correct answer is A. Animal. Question number 5. The correct answer is A. Person. Question number 6. The correct answer is B. Animal. Question number 7. The correct answer is A. Thing. Question number 8. The correct answer is A. Animal. Question number 9. The correct answer is A. Place. Question number 10. The correct answer is C. Animal. Question number 11. The correct answer is A. Place. Question number 12. The correct answer is A. Person. Question number 13. The correct answer is B. Animal. Question number 14. The correct answer is B. Person. Question number 15. The correct answer is B. Place. Question number 16. The correct answer is B. Thing. Question number 17. The correct answer is A. Animal. Question number 18. The correct answer is B. Place. Question number 19. The correct answer is A. Thing. Question number 20. The correct answer is A. Person. Great job, kids!